Hi everybody, this is Linda, and I want to show you 3 new digital junk journal kits that are going into the shop at Relate and Create Company. These are beautiful. I'm in love with them, as I have all of them. This is kind of like a self-care type one. It talks about being able to be brave and use our wings and experience life in a stronger, better way. Let me just flip through some of the pages here for you to see some of these beautiful embellishments, and then some of the pages themselves. Nice, soft journaling areas. Lots of place for writing our thoughts. Love this. Sometimes we must pause in the quiet to understand where we've been before we soar. That's a good piece of advice. Don't just jump out of the cage till you know what you're doing, right? Yeah. How about this one? With every step, you lift yourself higher. Trust your wings. We all need to do that more sometimes in our lives. Isn't this beautiful? Another soft journaling page. So many wonderful thoughts to contemplate. The flight within, self-care. The moments of rest are just as important as the moments of flight. Isn't that true? Have you found that true in your life? When you let go of the cage, the world opens up with endless possibilities. Love it, love it. I hope you'll hop over to the shop and look and see what we've got. And if you like them, please favorite the shop, or maybe leave a heart on one of the products that you really like. That helps us to know what we're doing right. Here's one that I love, and it's about time for June weddings. And this one is all about the wedding dress. It's not just fabric. It's a reflection of the love and dreams that two hearts share. It's just beautifully done. The fabric of dreams, all about the dress. How beautiful, how the brides love that part of their weddings. The choosing of these dresses, all their hopes and dreams are in them when they wear them. Beautiful journaling areas, beautiful gift journal for a new bride, where she can journal her experiences. Just beautiful, soft colors. The beauty of a wedding dress lies not just in its design, but in the way it makes a bride feel timeless, radiant, and loved. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Every stitch is a promise of forever. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one is very special to me. My daughter designed this one especially for me. It's called Soul Stitching. It's about how we women who love to stitch, us grandmothers and mothers, we leave a legacy for our family through our stitching. We never want to forget that. It's important. With each stitch, a piece of my heart is woven into the fabric of our family. Teaching your little daughter or your little granddaughter her first stitches. It's just, what a memory. Every scrap tells a story. You know how I love my scraps. My daughter knows I love my scraps. In the threads of every quilt, I sew a little bit of love for each of you. Isn't that how we feel? And I don't know if you'll recognize the little cat, but that's one of my fiber art pieces, the little cat that I did. I have a whole video on that. From my hands to your heart, Every stitch tells the story of love passed down. Just beautiful. Isn't this adorable? Have you sat and stitched with a little one in your family? Just beautiful. This one's special too because she incorporated into this design another one of my fiber art pieces that I gifted to her many years ago, and she's always loved it. It's a vase full of pansies, and it's just, my goodness, it's been so many years since I did that piece, but it found a way into her junk journal. Isn't that beautiful? This is a kind of a replica of the teapot that I did here on YouTube, and I do have a video on that one also. And again, another one of my fiber art pieces. This one is done in the mosaic style. Hundreds of little pieces I cut and put together for that one, and she incorporated it in this page here. I love it. Talking about a grandmother's love and how she passes down. For my girls, to remember when I'm gone. And then the ephemera pages. Just beautiful. 10 pages of journaling pages, double-sided pages, and 5 pages of ephemera. All beautiful new journal kits. Again, I hope you'll check out our shop and give us a follow or a heart. We'd really appreciate it. I wanted to share just a couple little things I did here with some of the ephemera pieces. Just plain paper, but I put them on fabric backgrounds. And to me, when I add the fabric, it just really looks great. It kept it soft. I didn't want to make anything bold, but it just really did wonderful in that. Then I took a different color, did the same thing, made the little envelope, but put it on the fabric backing. And this one was a little piece of ephemera on a fabric backing, but then I used a little yarn and a little piece of silk flower petal, some eyelash trim, a little stamen, and made a little butterfly. Isn't that cute? Wonderful little creations you can make that are very unique, very custom for your journal, one of a kind. Those are the things that you love so much about journaling, aren't they? Finding a way to express yourself. Okay, till next time, let's all stay very creative and scrap happy.